So back in June, Jio announced its upcoming smartphone named the JioPhone Next, and one interesting thing about that phone is that it is co-developed with Google. This phone is said to be an ultra-affordable 4G smartphone, and it is quite possible that it would launch as one of the cheapest 4G smartphones in India, if not the cheapest. At its June event, Jio did not reveal much about this phone, but we did get to see the design of it. Google also shared some software features of this phone such as translation, a voice assistant and more. Well, now some key specifications of the JioPhone Next were shared by Mishal Rahman from XJ Developers. So in this video, let us talk about those in detail. First thing first, this is the boot animation screen of the JioPhone Next, so you can clearly see that it says created with Google. Based on this boot animation screen, it is safe to say that the resolution of the display is 1440 into 720 pixels, or in short 720p. There is a 13 megapixel camera on the back, and it is an OmniVision sensor. On the front, there is an 8 megapixel camera. As we know already, this phone runs on Android 11 out of the box, and it is the Go edition, which means this version of Android 11 is made specifically for entry-level phones that do not have a lot of RAM and processing power. Speaking of the processing power, the JioPhone Next has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 SoC, and this is an entry-level chipset which launched back in 2019. Now this is the same SoC which powers phones like the Nokia 1.3 and Nokia 1.4. Now those are priced above $100, but when it comes to JioPhone Next, it is said to be a phone priced well under $50 or under Rs 4,000. For that price, these are really good specifications. As far as the launch of this phone is concerned, it is launching on the 10th of September, so we still have almost a month left for the launch. The pricing is still a mystery, but looking at how Jio announced it as an ultra-affordable 4G smartphone, we won't be surprised to see a very aggressive pricing. Anyways, what do you think the price of JioPhone Next should be? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.